Very good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. And today I'm going to take a session on achieving success with Google Ads in 2025. So we are going to discuss the strategies for success, right? Okay. So before I dive in, I would request all of you that if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel so that you can get future notification updates as well. Okay. So first we will discuss the concept in the document. All right. And then we will go with the practicals with the live project of Picnic Point. Okay. So, my dear friends, you know what? As we approach 2025, it's very important for all kind of businesses. Okay. It could be small scale businesses or large scale businesses to adapt the Google Ads strategies to stay competitive, right? So, the landscape of digital marketing is actually evolving. Okay. And to understand the mechanism of Google Ads is essential for maximizing your return on investment, right? So, in this session today, we are going to discuss the core principles of Google Ads, which is going to emphasize the importance of optimization and then the strategic campaign management, right? So, we are going to discuss the importance of optimization. Okay. So now first let us try to understand the concept on the importance of optimization. A well-structured optimization strategy is the fundamental for success in Google Ads, right? So in case you neglect to optimize your campaign, that can lead to a wasted budget and lost profit. Okay. So on the other hand, if you over optimize your campaign, this could be harmful, right? So you need to have a balanced approach. So one that is actually involving systematic reviews of data, which is going to help you to make informed adjustments and allowing them for results to manifest. So my dear friends, to actually help you in this process, okay, so I'm going to share the Google Ads optimization checklist. Okay, so this could be a valuable resource. So this checklist is actually going to outline the essential tasks and provide guidance on the frequency, ensuring that your campaign remain effective in the rapidly changing environment. So if you want the free checklist on Google Ads, you can just enter your email address in the comment section. I'll definitely send it back to you. All right. Thank you. Okay. So now we are going to discuss what are the core factors which is going to influence the Google Ads performance here, right? So before we understand the core factors, you need to understand how Google Ads operates. Okay, so this is very important for crafting successful campaigns, right? Okay, so let's move forward. The most important concept here is the auction system, right? Google Ads operate on an auction model, but there are traditional auctions where the highest bidder wins. Google employs a system called as ad rank. Ad rank is determined by several factors beyond just the bid amount. This includes multiple factors. So we will talk about bid amount. What is the bid amount? This is a maximum you're willing to pay per click. So it can be set manually or automatically through the bidding strategy. So one is bid amount. Next is quality score. This score reflects the relevance of your ads and landing page to user searches. A higher quality score can actually lower your cost per click. So you need to make sure that you need to have a very good quality score. It could be 9 out of 10 as well. Then we are going to discuss about ad rank thresholds. These are minimum standards that ad must meet to be displayed in the auction. So now let's talk about that. there has to be some kind of competitiveness in the auctions. So more competition typically leads to higher CPC, right? So keep this factor in mind when you're designing your Google Ads campaign. So let's discuss about user search context. Google considers recent search term and the relevance to your ad, right? So now we need to discuss on the expected impact of ad assets. Every Google search ad has to have ad assets. This assess whether additional ad formats or asset will enhance click-through rate, right? So now we are also going to discuss about the targeting mechanism. Effective targeting is very crucial in ads. So advertisers can refine their audience to keywords. Okay, this is very important. Selecting relevant keywords ensure that your ad reaches the right people. Right. Then next is demographics and location. Tailoring ads based on age, gender, location, and even specific time of the day. This can help you to enhance the performance. And content placement, you can choose where your ads appear. It could be on specific websites or apps. This can significantly impact engagement. Then budget management is very important. Setting budgets at the campaign level, this is actually going to help the advertisers to allocate resources effectively. By creating levels within your account, you can focus spending on high performing areas where reducing investment in underperforming segments. Okay, so this is strategic allocation is the key to maximize ROI. So what do you mean by this? You have to increase your budget on those keywords which is going to give you maximum conversions, and you have to reduce your budget on those keywords which is going to decrease your conversions, right? So it is underperforming keywords and overperforming keywords, underperforming conversions and overperforming conversions. So you have to keep these factors in mind while you're doing the budget management, right? Then we will talk about automated bidding strategy. Leveraging automated bidding strategies, this can actually help to advertisers in such a way so that it can utilize Google extensive data on user behavior and conversion history, right? So there are strategies involved in automation. The very important strategy over here is maximize conversions or conversion value. This can actually lead to improved outcomes without constant manual adjustment, right? Okay. So now let's do the practicals. Okay. Let's open the Google Ads account. Okay. Let's click on start now. Okay. So now let's set up the campaign, right? So click on plus new campaign. Okay. So here we will have different campaign objectives. So we'll select the campaign objectives here. Choose your objective. Okay. So ideally, if your account is new, then first you should start with website traffic. Okay. If your account is new, means what? If your Google Ads account is not having the conversion history of 30 conversions in a month, then start with website traffic. If your Google Ads account is having the conversion of 30 in a month, then you can start with leads as well. Okay, right? So this is one. Or you can also select the campaign objective with create a campaign without a goals guidance. Okay, so let's select the campaign objective, create a campaign without a goals guidance. Right? Okay. Click on that. Let's select a campaign type. Click on search. So conversion goals, phone call leads, submit lead forms, then click on continue. Okay. So basically what you need here is select the results you want to get from this campaign here. Right? Okay. So let's we'll select here as phone calls. Right? So let's enter the number over here. Let's say India. So let's take the project of picnic point. 92258 19192. Yeah, so we'll click on continue, enter the phone number. Okay, define the campaign name. Click on continue. Okay, so now you have to define the bidding strategy. Okay, so what do you want? Right, conversions, conversion value, clicks, impression share. So for now we will take here as conversions. Okay, then click select as conversions and click on next. Okay, so I hope you're getting it right. Yeah, uncheck Google display network. Include Google search partners. Select location here. Select India as location. Okay, so languages, English is fine. Select languages, English. So you can enter multiple languages, but for now we are taking it as English. So use keyword match types. Use keyword match types. Okay. Automatically create assets. Turn on. Okay. Then click on more settings. Add rotation. Prefer best performing ads. Define start date and end date. Define start date and end date. So select end date here as 7th of November. Click on next. Yeah, so let's try to understand the mechanism by doing the practicals. Now enter the website URL. Yeah, so let's enter this. Okay, yeah, so AI is going to do the job in Google Ads. So just wait for a while and click on generate. Okay, so enter the URL here. Yeah, so that's what you do. Enter your keywords. Okay, so here today we are going to use Google Auto Complete feature to analyze keywords. Right? Okay, so these are keywords given by Google Auto Complete. So let's take 50 points rapper. Take here as points rapper. Please match. Exact match. Yeah. So I go back here. Okay, so again, Google autocomplete suggestion. One day picking spot here on upper. Okay, so we take as two keywords, then we will take Buddha party Singapore. So we will be targeting phrase match and broad match keywords. Sorry, exact match keywords. Okay, yeah, phrase match and exact match keywords in the point campaign, right? Okay, so then process is same. So we are taking a different project here. So define the display path. Here you say right add calls. We can take a different number over here. Click on plus new call. India 958 Yeah, so that's done. And click on save. Then click on apply. Right. So now let's create the headline. So now here we are going to use AI to create ad headlines. Okay, got it? Yep. So now what are we going to do here is today we are going to use pop-up complexity dot AI. Perplexity dot AI. Right? So here we just write the prompt act as if you are an experienced Google Ads specialist. I want you to write 15 headlines in 30 characters for Forge Sudapur, which offers delicious hula party with entertainment as well as write 15 headlines in 90 characters, write 15 headlines, 15 descriptions in 90 characters as well. Copy this, just paste it here, enter. One second. One second, there is some error over here. One second. Control V. Yeah. Okay, so here we have headlines, right? Okay, so let's do that. Joy Huda parties here. Copy this. Celebrate Huda day, delicious Huda and fun. So it is. Book your visit now. Okay. So book your Huda party now. Join us for Huda fun. Okay. Is TST West Huda here. Let's hold down. Celebrate with friends. Huda best now. Or we'll say fun and food at picnic point. Okay, here it is. Take one more. Savor delicious food today. Yeah. So what I do is I just pin this to one. Okay. Pin this to two. Let's see how it comes. So it is. So let's do one thing. Let's keep it as one. Alright. Let's do this one I need two. Let's just one. Okay. Alright, so now let's have the descriptions. Control V. Add the descriptions here. Okay, so you could see on the right hand side, weekly conversion is 14.9, cost per conversion is 530 rupees. So this is how it is. The conversion campaign. Now we can add images. These are AI generated easier suggested images, right? Okay, let's make this status show save. Okay, now we can plus add images here. All right, so what we are going to do here is we are going to take the images from the website, right? So enter the URL. Okay, yeah, so let's take the images from the website. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, for address. I can't save. All right, so here it is. We have the images added. Okay, so you can add the business name and logos. Okay, so site link has already been added. Okay, so here it is. So you can add callouts as well. So you can take the help of Perplexity. Right, 5 callouts for default select 4 and 25 characters here. Okay, con plus callouts. Right, we can plus new callout. Okay, here it is. We have callout here. Delicious food awaits. Right, so fun filled outdoor parties. Yeah, book your Huda feast. Unforgettable picnic fun. Okay, cool. Click on save, apply. Callouts are added. All right, site is added. Then click on next. Okay, so here you could see what is the budget. You have to define a budget here. Okay, so average budget is 1129. Okay, so cost per conversion is gonna be 506 rupees. Weekly conversions is 15.6. So let's go with the recommended conversions here. conversions and recommended budgets as well. All right, click on next. Okay, here it is. So you have to confirm this. So let me confirm. One second, my dear students. One second. I'm just doing that confirmation part. Yes, it's me. It's 53. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so the campaign is about to get published over here. So we can say right now we can upgrade to broad match. So that's one option. Or if you don't want to upgrade, that's perfectly fine. Okay, so just make sure that you can apply Google recommendation as well. All right. So I hope you got it right. So how you can set up the Google Ads campaign in 2025. So I tried to explain the concepts to you with the help of PDF document, and then we discuss about setting up the campaigns, bidding strategies, then optimizing your campaigns for conversions. Then we discuss about the optimization of website as well. So what has to be integrated, discuss about the ad assets as well. Okay, so with this, I end my today's session. Please do like and share this video as well as subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.